Welcome to the world of STILL. Have you ever wondered whether moving loads electrically could prove more ergonomic and economic than with a manual hand pallet truck? STILL presents to you an alternative to the manual hand pallet truck, the ECH12. This truck is an electric low-lift pallet truck within our classic product line, designed specifically for horizontal transportation and the ability to move loads of up to 1.2 tons. It is a truck for light applications, such as at the back of store areas, or simply it can be used as a replacement for the hand pallet truck. Lifting and driving of the ECH12 is done electrically. This means no heavy pulling, pushing or pumping for the user to lift and move loads easily and quickly. The ECH12 is powered by low maintenance and non-gassing lithium-ion technology. The 24-volt battery supplies 20 Ah for a usage time of up to 2 hours. The battery management system ensures a long service life and high availability of the ECH12. The lithium-ion battery can be recharged at any time. To charge the battery, it is simply removed and inserted into the charger. The charger is connected to a socket. Thanks to the multifunctional display in the tiller head, the user is always notified about the charging level, operating hours, and other useful information. What makes the ECH12 so special is its compact dimensions, just like a traditional hand pallet truck. This means it can be used in the narrowest working areas. When things get really tight, the ECH12 scores with its creep speed function for even better maneuverability. Similar to manual hand pallet trucks, the ECH12 can also be equipped with single rollers or tandem rollers. With our reliable and fast service performance, we will ensure that your ECH12 is always ready for use. Thanks to our comprehensive sales and service network, we are always on hand to help. So when it comes to the availability of your intralogistics, there will be no compromise.